Okay, so the blinkers stopped working, and same as the hazard lights, they don't work as well. It's on the same relay. I'm going to show you how to get to that relay and replace it. It's a pretty common problem with the 2000 to 2004 Grand Cherokees. Alright, just got to take this panel off here. It's really easy. Just kind of grab it and pry it outwards. See it pop out. Be careful, it's only got these two tabs that hold it on in these two spots in here, so you don't want to break those. Okay, now that you got that little panel off there, come over here. There's two screws. Got one here and one right there. Just go take those two screws out. There's another screw right here you gotta take out. And there's gonna be two 10mm bolts. One right here, another 10mm right down here. Alright, let's get the screws out of here. This panel is really easy to come off. It just pries out. There's like two spots that holds it in. Just be careful you don't mess up. Careful you don't mess up these tabs here, because they are what holds it back together. Okay, locate your fuse box. It's going to be this thing here. There's two bolts holding it on. One right here and one right here. Go ahead, and you don't have to take them all the way out. Just loosen them up so you got some play in there, so you can reach up in here. Once you've done that, you can look up in here. This big one here is the one you're after. This one. So go ahead and take this big one out. It's actually pretty easy to take out. Just go ahead and do that. I'm just reaching in there like this to grab on it. There we go. So this is the old one. This is what the plugs look like on it. This part goes downwards towards the bottom. Let's go ahead and grab the new one. Okay, this is the new one that I got from AutoZone. Direct replacement. Install it with this tab facing down. It's really easy to put back in. Just line it up into place. There we go. Alright, push in there nice and firmly. Give it a little wiggle. Yep, that's in there good. Go ahead and tighten these bolts back up here. Okay, now that you've got your relay back in there, let's go ahead and check it and make sure it's working. Check the hazards first. Yep, the hazards are working. Start it up. Left side. Cool. Right side. Awesome. Let's go ahead and slap all this back together. So this panel is very easy to put back on. Put these three screws back in here, and then pop this piece back on to the top right here. It's very simple. All right, all done.